Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Wirex account. Wirex is a platform that allows users to buy, spend and sell their fiat currencies. To log into Wirex account, first open your Wirex application on your mobile phone. Now here you can see two options. On the down, tap on login option. With this, now here you need to first enter your email address that you have used to register your Wirex account on the given box. Then you need to enter the correct password of your account. If you don't remember your password, then you can tap on Forgot Password option. With this, after entering all your credentials, tap on Log In. With this, now here you'll be logged into your Wirex account. As you can see here, I have been logged into my Wirex account. This is how we can log in Wirex account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.